Hey everybody, it's Sabrina. I have a question for you. So what is crispy and crunchy and slightly sweet, maybe a little bit of salty, has a smoke flavor? Any thoughts? You guessed it, bacon. I want a BLT sandwich today so bad. And I have found over my years of eating plant-based that I really don't want the meat, but sometimes it's the texture or the flavor. Sometimes it's the smell. So I put all those together and we are gonna make some bacon. Today's recipe is carrot bacon. Now, this is gonna be the first in a series of bacon recipes, and I'll tell you, once you nail that crunch and the flavor, you won't miss the pork at all. So, with that said, you know what it is. It's time to cook. I'll see you in the kitchen. So we made our carrot bacon, and it smells delicious in this kitchen. You can smell in the air the smokiness and a little bit of sweetness. But we want to taste it, make sure it's nice and crunchy. So, there you have it. I'm going to taste it with you, and I truly hope you give this a try. Let's check it out. I hope you can hear a crunch of that. Crunch of the bacon. So let's talk about my construction here. I made this on sourdough bread. I have some tomatoes, freshly sliced tomatoes, and I didn't have any lettuce in the garden, it bolted, but I pulled out a piece of Georgia collard and some Nero kale, and I slid that on there as well. So I think I have a very nutritious sandwich with some bacon. And this is like almost 2 carrots. When could you eat a regular sandwich with bacon, with a whole pound of bacon on it, right? This is the way to do it. Awesome. You've got to try it. So this is episode 1 of my bacon series, carrot bacon. And while we'll do some others later, I do hope you give this a try. Please leave a comment down below so I know that you tried it, what you tasted, if you tweaked it a little bit, added something else. But it's definitely going to be something that I think you're going to want to put in your summer repertoire, a BLT or CLT, whatever you want to call it, carrot, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. So anyway, thanks for being with me. I hope you have a great day and stay blessed. And as usual, it's always time to cook. See you in the next video.